Big up every slam and latex I ever use, every rough rider and directs I ever use, every Trojan choice and the next I ever use. The wet and wild prevent the second child. The moods get her in the right mood. The Trojan in the ocean cause a lot of commotion. And the last time I used lifestyle was so great it changed my whole lifestyle. Yeah, condoms, I have to thank you, cause you protect and save these girls from blast of bam. And I am grateful for all your services. When we unlock them baby heads and scrape them cervixes. A lot of girls don't want me without you. They don't want me without you. So me have you everywhere me go like a tattoo. Because you protect me from STD, you protect me from HIV, you protect me having a next baby and a next and a next and a next baby. Dear condoms, when you see Johnny hard, you are my shield, you are my vest, you are my bodyguard. So I am grateful for all your services. When we unlock them baby heads and scrape them cervixes. She get a stab in her vagina from the studded and rip rough rider. Yes, it's true, me have no ball there, but she feel like it rough inside her. When you whine, I in heaven for the time. The rubber bust 11:59. So me switch condom to the midnight, and she get a back shot exactly midnight. Oh, condoms, y'all are my saviors. Y'all come in handy when the girl them grant me favors. So I am grateful for all your services. When we unlock them baby heads and scrape them cervixes. Them glow in the dark thing is for them children fooling around. Why should I ever want to put radiation on my jewels and crown? Them long love, giving you a long last. Use that if you don't wanna come fast. I don't like edible condom, she eating away all my protection. I don't mind a Casanova, cherry or chocolate or any flavor, but glow in the dark, no, that's a willy toy. I rather chook a fat shampoo if a Billy boy. Oh, condoms, you are my Excalibur. The sword inside makes me provide the next calling her. So I am grateful for all your services. When we unlock them baby heads and scrape them cervixes. Bareback comfort Durex, gal hair that I'll come for you next. First round, fire and ice, will and come again, she require that twice. Bareback comfort Durex, gal hair that come for good sex. Next time I use a Casanova, I'll score more goals than Barcelona. Oh, condoms, I'm glad I never sold you. When me unroll you like a job, when me unfold you. And I am grateful for all your services. When we unlock them baby heads and scrape them cervixes. Oh, condoms, y'all are my saviors. Y'all come like job when me have green but didn't have papers. So I am grateful for your services. When we knock them baby heads and scrape them cervixes.